What's up, guys? Derek from Legendary here. A client paid me to create them a course on how to create Facebook ads for wholesaling, generating motivated seller leads. So I went ahead and did that. And for a limited time, I'm going to offer this for free. So if you're interested in learning how to create Facebook ads from scratch, even if you've never done them before, this will be a great opportunity for you to jump in and get hands-on, step-by-step instructions on how to do that. I'm going to show you some of the top performing Facebook ads from some of the top wholesalers around the country. I'm going to show you how to create your ad copy, your ad creative, get it all put together inside of Facebook Business Manager, and how to set up automation on the back end so you can automate your follow-up and throw your leads into a CRM or wherever else you want to put them. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and click start below, fill out the form, first, last, and email, and click get instant access, and you'll get those course login credentials sent to your email straight away. So excited to get this in your hands. Can't wait to see what you do. Super excited to have you as a part of the Legendary family. Stay legendary. Catch you on the next video.